Hi there, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Wisdom Therapist Show. I'm your host, the Wisdom Therapist. I am a licensed CBT therapist and trying to give you some great insight and some interesting stories from our shared knowledge. And usually I use Quora, which is a platform that I like because we can find some interesting insights from people all over the world. So, today's question is, what are some bad habits that we need to break? And the recommended and the best answer is actually from Alicia Talks. And she says, studying in bed. Your bed is made for sleeping. It is your comfort place. Try finding a new environment other than your bed to study in, and you're most likely to get more work done. Okay, makes sense. Aimless scrolling through your social media accounts if it is of no benefit to you. That's right. Usually we get some dopamine rush and try to scroll over to find something more interesting to see and to read. Stop drinking, smoking, and doing drugs. Okay, that seems fair. Avoid watching porn. Okay. Stop letting people take advantage of your kindness. Okay, that's like saying stop being unhealthy or stop being unlucky, but okay. Start learning how to say no. Yes, that's a great way, and that's actually something we can start by learning how to set our boundaries. Avoid leaving your deadliness till the last minute. Okay, deadlines till the last minute. Okay, that seems fair because it is best if we do our work as soon as possible and if possible every day. Stop, quote, forgetting to take your makeup off before going to sleep. Okay. Avoid looking at your phone before going to sleep. Yes, there is legit science behind this. Avoid sleeping late. Okay, I guess it depends on the person and what your fundamental ideas are about life. Try not to doubt yourself too much. Okay, that's not an easy thing to do. We know that we have methods in philosophy and cognitive therapy, but it's like, again, saying that stop being unhealthy and so on. Stop surrounding yourself with negative people. Okay, that makes sense. Sometimes it's hard to do, or maybe even hard to find out. Stop gossiping. Stop slandering. Don't stick your nose in other people's business. Okay, that seems legit, since you can say mind your own business, and if you have your own business and your own business is your life, so it kind of makes sense. Stop making every aspect of your life public. Nobody wants to see what you ate for breakfast. Okay, it depends. Maybe some people would like to see that. Don't lie because you're afraid to hurt the other person's feelings. Speak the truth. Okay, that's okay, I guess. Don't skip meals. Stop snacking when you're not hungry. Okay, I usually do intermittent fasting, so it's maybe general. I don't know. Stop overspending and start saving money. Okay, in this economy where money is worth less and less, I don't know if it's the right thing to do. Try to avoid watching too much TV. Okay, it depends on what you watch and why you watch it. Start using your time wisely. Okay, great advice, but it's not, it's like say start getting healthy and so on. So stop forgetting to wear sunscreen on a warm day. Okay, stop pondering. Okay, the jury is still out there whether it's okay or not. Stop pondering about the past and start focusing on the present. Yes, that makes sense. Stop procrastinating. Stop forgetting to upload the post. Okay, I guess thank you for your insights. So Matisse Rogers has some great advice. If you don't break these habits, they will break you. and what to do to find the strength to break them. Okay, so the first thing, as we will learn, is that whatever you do also does on you, like working on you. So indulging in motivational porn, meaning reading, watching, or otherwise consuming self-improvement material without taking action on advice. Yes, that makes sense. Even though we have powerful cognitive techniques that actually do work if we work them, and we don't need to actually go there, but we can use a plain paper to do that. Spending money before saving and investing. Okay, that makes sense. Cutting corners at work. Yeah, I mean, if it's your work. Excessive TV and internet usage. Okay. Excessive drinking and drug usage. Internet porn, video game playing, gambling, lying. Low emotional control, like shouting, throwing fists probably when things don't go your way. Okay. Not tidying up and not having a home or living space in excellent order. Okay, that seems like perfectionism, but okay. Worrying this can later kill you. Yeah, of course. Gossiping, overeating, texting while driving. Okay. First off, when can we consider something a bad habit? If the habit is harming your health, finances, relationships, and emotional well-being, it's obvious answer. Yes, but it's very hard to see beforehand. We can see post-action, but beforehand it's very hard. If you ask me, though, at that point it is already too late. You are in fact heading right toward the cliff, so to speak, and will have to fight to steep uphill battle to break the bad habit. Okay, not always the case, but it makes sense. At this point, it will require a lot of work. Okay, people do not want to work, focus, and determination to get rid of the bad habit. We should instill a good habit. It can be done, but I have experienced that it is far better to kill the monster when it is small and start breaking that bad habit before you notice any major negative repercussion. Yes, okay, that makes sense. Okay, that's true. The way to stay in control of your life and up your chances of successfully breaking bad habit massively. That said, no matter how bad you feel, there is always hope. And I'm not saying that to make you feel better, but because it is the truth. And yes, that is the truth. I had so many bad habits 2 years ago that I literally sank into depression every time I even thought about changing. What made the difference? Yeah, I guess people would like to know. At some point, I had enough. I looked at my life, and for the first time, I had the self-honesty to admit that I was a fuck up. Yeah, maybe like something like David Goggins says about his mirror, accountability mirror. I was about to be kicked out of college, still living with my parents, blah blah blah. So I got pissed off and angry at myself that I simply made changing an absolute must. Yes, that's a great strategy. We use something called paradoxical need in cognitive therapy. Right now, as you're reading this, you can actually do the same. Yes, you can. Yes, we can. We can all improve our lives. What has indulging in your bad habit cost you in the past? What will it cost you if you don't change right now? Have your bad habits affect your family, partner, and loved ones? Has your health been affected? Remember, right now is the chance to reserve all of the damage that has been reverse done and to avoid any further damage you're causing. I hope you use that knowledge to your advantage and do something to break those bad habits. Okay. So, some great ideas. I'm trying to get this channel going, so I hope that it has helped you in some way. So, until next time, have a great day.